Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve square root of x times square root of x is equal to 5 square root of 5, or taking square to both sides we can write square root of x square root of x whole square is equal to 5 square root of 5 whole square, or this square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain x square root of x is equal to this 5 square times square root of 5 whole square, or x square root of x is equal to 5 square times this square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain 5, or x square root of x is equal to 5 square times 5 is 5 cube. Now taking square to both sides again, we can write x square root of x whole square is equal to 5 cube whole square, or this x square times square root of x whole square is equal to, this can be written as 5 square whole cube, or x square times this square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain x is equal to 5 square is 25 cube, or x square times x is x cube is equal to this 25 cube. Now taking cube root to both sides, we will have cube root of x cube is equal to cube root of 25 cube. Now this cube root and this cube will cancel out, so it will remain x is equal to, similarly this cube root and this cube will cancel out, so it will remain 25. So this is the value of x. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.